5. Futuristic woodworking projects. Which one would you like to see made by hand? Transformable chair that looks like a wooden rocking chair, but it's actually a modern piece of art. When you pull on its geometric levers, the wood magically morphs into a new shape. Set of floating shelves that look like they're made of real wood, but they have this cool futuristic vibe to them. The camera has to physically transform to fit inside the shelf. A coffee table that looks like a bunch of wooden boxes stacked on top of each other, but it's actually one piece of furniture. Again, the camera has to physically transform to fit inside the table. A wall art piece that looks like a bunch of wooden sticks glued together in a triangular pattern. But when you get up close, you realize it's actually one continuous piece of wood with 0 gaps between the sticks. A bar cart that looks like a stack of wooden crates, but it's actually one piece of furniture. And the coolest part about it is that it can be assembled and disassembled into different shapes. So which one would you like to see made by hand?